is my unboxing video of OnePlus YT, and I'm the Prime member, and we got first access for the OnePlus YT, and this is a package from Amazon. Let's open. Yeah, here's the box, and let's open the box. Yeah, it's pretty good package, and it is basically a 8 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM and 128 GB high-end model, and it's cost around 38,000 rupees in India. I'm just opening the seal. It's got quite nice package. Yes. Let's open the box. Yes, here is the phone, which looks pretty good, and this is having a full view of the screen. It's nice and red box, and basically for OnePlus 5T, and they're giving you only one color, that is matte black finish. And here we go. It's a nice looking phone, and let's reboot the phone. Hope it's having charging. Yes, it's getting rebooted now. It's booting now. And let's keep this phone aside. Meanwhile, I'll go through inside the box. Let's open. Yes, they're providing a pouch as well inside the box, which is good news. And here is the SIM ejector tool. It's typically for all nowadays, for all of mobile phones, and this is the case for OnePlus 3T, 5T, sorry. And the best feature in the OnePlus is the dash charging. Is the best charging among in the segment. Yeah, finally the phone is unboxed, and we'll do the initial configuration settings. Here we go. It's asking for OnePlus recommended. Let's go with the recommended, and let's skip for a while. Yes, set as a new, add an account. Says Google services, simple, see backup storage drivers. Let's see more items, more agree, meet your Google assistants. Hi, how can I help? Meet your Google assistants. Yeah, looks like quite a lot of settings. Yes, I am in. Recognize your voice. Skip this for now. Live assistants. Agreement policies. That's it. Here we go. I think it's done. Yep. So I'm pretty excited, and this is our phone. I mean, I was using iPhone, and I just got into Android, and let's go to the phone configuration settings. And there's a pretty big phone, 6-inch, and a bezel-less display, full view, and it's having dual camera. One is 16 megapixel, another is, I guess, 21 megapixel wide angle aperture sensor camera, and this is having an NFC sensor here. I think this is an NFC sensor on top of phone, and there's a fingerprint scanner. Here's a fingerprint. Basically, in OnePlus 5, the fingerprint scanner was down, and it is changed back to the back due to the display, due to wider display. And what else? Yes, let's get into the phone settings. Uh, Yep, here we go. Settings. As I said, it's a high-end phone in OnePlus 3T, and it is having a 8 GB RAM and 120 GB hard disk, and the phone is already having 66% battery. And here we have usable space of 111 GB. Yep. And it is having an Android 7.1 version, Nougat Android 7.1, and it is customized Oxygen OS by OnePlus 3T, OnePlus YT, sorry. And looks like it's already got a few system updates. It's pretty fast. Security. Let's check how this face recognition system works for unlocking the phone. Face unlock. Give the pattern. Add face data. Next. Yes, it's done. Let's confirm it. Yeah, let me test how it's gonna work. Let me lock the phone. Here we go. It's pretty fast. As soon as it's recognized my face, it's getting unlocked very fast. It's faster than iPhone 10 as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.